Refilling the ink tanks in the HP Smart Tank 670, 720, 750, 790, 6000, 7000, 7300, 7600 printer series. When it runs low, refill the ink tank in one or more of the ink tanks in your HP Smart Tank printer using official bottles of HP ink. Be aware of the following when working with ink bottles. Keep the ink bottles beyond the reach of children. Open the ink bottle only when you are filling the ink tanks. Store the ink bottles upright in a cool, dry place. Lift the ink access door, and then open the tank covers. Open the cap on the ink tank you want to fill. Open the ink bottle. If your ink bottles have twist-off lids, twist to remove the lid and then set it aside. If your bottles have a flip-top lid, twist the lid to remove it. Pull the seal tab to completely remove it from the bottle and then dispose of the seal. Replace and tighten the lid on the bottle and then flip open the lid. Match the color of the ink bottle with the color of the ink tank. Hold the bottle on the tank nozzle, making sure the tip of the bottle fits properly over the nozzle, and let the ink drain into the tank until the tank is full. If the bottle does not start draining, remove it and then reinsert it into the tank. Do not squeeze the bottle. After the ink tank is filled, set the bottle upright and then close the ink bottle lid. Close the ink tank cap. Repeat the previous steps to fill the other ink tanks. Close the tank covers and then the ink access door. Store bottles with leftover ink upright in a cool, dry place. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages, and search our channel to find official HP support videos.